Hello, and today I'm going to try and answer a common question. What do I do about washing? How about a RV with a washing machine in it? Well, that is impossible. Well, not entirely impossible. You get a really big one with a huge water capacity, then maybe it can be done. But I suppose the word impossible is a bit of an exaggeration. You could, I suppose, get yourself a 540 centimetre long Fiat Ducato and try and make enough water and a washing machine in it, but it would be a washing machine on wheels. Now, in my case, what I like to do is to make sure I've got enough clothes to see me from one place to the next. That means a lot of storage, particularly when it's in the summer. That's quite nice to have. So, what do? Go to the laundrette. Now, if you're in the United States, you've got laundry mats, as you call them, there all over the place. Here in Europe, it depends on the country. There's some countries there's no problem at all finding them, and in others you can't find them at all. Therefore, in my case, I do tend to plan ahead a little bit. I am very fortunate in having a YouTube site, and people say to me, well, come and stick your van on my lawn when I'm around, and when you're around, then quite often people offer to do your washing for you. So I'm quite lucky, but normally people don't have this. And increasingly more campsites have washing machines and all the rest. And this is one reason, if you're sort of living in a van, that it's always worth going to a campsite from time to time, and you're getting rid of your toilet waste, filling up with water, charging your batteries, and of course getting your washing done as well. And so these are features for long-term living. I do appreciate that if you didn't all the time, you end up paying whatever, 20 euros a night for campsites. That may end up being a little bit on the expensive side. Yeah, I hope you can hear me okay, because I put this thing on specially so that there wouldn't be so much noise from the wind. Although today it's June now, that was really roasting, but today it's a bit overcast. I was going to get my bicycle quite some distance, but anyway, because of the wind, I'll see what's in a couple of hours, maybe I'll go. Right, so that's how I deal with washing. And so what do other people do? Has anybody else got any good ideas? I mean, small washing as well. I mean, things like underpants, socks and what have you. As I say in video reviews, I do tend to put them, I do them on a daily basis. So when I run out, because socks, I mean, they'll dry in no time at all, particularly if I've got access to water. Okay, thanks very much for listening, and all the best.